How to change cue sensitivity in 8-ball pool. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can change your cue sensitivity in 8-ball pool, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To change your sensitivity of the cue in 8-ball pool, once you have the game opened up, you wanna just tap on your profile from the very top left of the screen. And when you do that and you're on this page, just select the gear icon, which is located from the top right hand side, which is the settings icon. Now when you're on the settings page, you want to simply keep on scrolling down. So just keep on scrolling down right here until you actually see the option that says cue. So right over here, if I scroll down, you can see cue sensitivity, slow, normal or fast. So you can select slow because it gives you fine stable control for precise micro adjustments, normal because it provides a balanced standard aiming speed, and fast makes the cue react rapidly to minor finger movements as well. And that way you can basically change the cue sensitivity in 8-ball pool. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.